Watch me fix my eyelashes by myself for the very first time. I've watched a lot of tutorials on this and I'm actually still scared because it's actually eyes we're talking about. I don't want to go blind. As you can see, my eyelashes are quite long. See the glue I'm using. This glue is an eyelash glue. I never wanted to use hair glue. I've already applied glue to the eyelash and I'm blowing it. They say you should blow it so that it will dry. This is me blowing it, and then it is time to fix it on my eyes. So I said, let me be gentle in this thing, because his eyes are talking about here, and I'm trying to fix it, and I'm scared. I told you guys I'm scared. I don't even know what to do about this thing. So I'm still contemplating. Should I put it? Should I not put it? I say, oh, fuck that thing, man. Let's fix it. So I'm fixing it on my eyes right now, and my dear, I don't even know how I felt fixing this thing because it's not comfortable at all. This is not my first time of having eyelashes on my eyes. I've actually done it once, I think 4 years ago. Then I was still in school, and honestly, that was the experience that made me say I will not fix eyelashes again, because that particular eyelash, the lady fixed it underneath my eyelashes and I was so uncomfortable. Like, tears was coming out from my eyes every single day. Even when I say let me try to remove it, the eyelash say it's not going to remove. That was how the glue was grabbing my eyelashes, and the kind of eyes I have is so sensitive, and I was just so uncomfortable. After that, I said if I'm ever going to fix eyelashes, I'm going to fix it by myself. So this is the first time I'm fixing eyelash by myself, and let me say the second time of me having eyelashes. So I'm hoping it goes well. Ignore the fact that I'm actually using hand, because it's not hand I'm supposed to use. I'm supposed to use a tweezer, but it was so uncomfortable. I didn't know how to handle the tweezer and fix the eyelashes, considering the fact that it's my first time, and I thought hand would be the best, but it seems like this hand is not just aligning well, because I don't know what I'm fixing here. I obviously know that I'm doing rubbish, but let's just see how the rubbish goes. If you ask me who sent me this thing now, I don't know. I just sat down on my own and say, okay, Ozzy, why is your things always different? Everybody's fixing eyelashes, only you that is not fixing eyelashes. Okay, for once, follow the crown now. Let's not be like your own is different. I say, okay. I now bought this eyelash kit. I bought like three eyelashes. I said, oh, I'm going to fix it one day. I bought the glue. Guess what? This thing has been sitting down in my room for, should I say, a year plus now, and I've not done anything with it. So this morning I just say, Kai, I must do this thing. No, let it not be like my own case is different. I say, okay, let me try it. Now I'm trying it. I don't even know what I'm doing. They say, believe in yourself, believe in yourself. This believing in yourself is not really working out for me in this eyelash stuff. How is it looking? It doesn't look bad actually. It's looking nice. It doesn't look really aligned as I want, but it's not that bad. I've seen people that are carrying worse than this, so it's just that I'm a very big critic, so it's not everything that I would like to be carrying on the road. But this is not bad at all. This is me feeling myself like, this girl is a bit work, no be small matter. Here's me aligning it again, because this thing is not easy. Even the middle part, the center part, I felt like I just did nonsense. It did not align well. But I still have to feel myself now, as per first time things. It's not easy. If I can do it this time around, I know that the next time I'll still be able to get it. So let me add another gum. I don't see this one in any tutorial. I'm not supposed to do this. Oh yeah, you see, I've done nonsense. I've done rubbish, because it's not supposed to spill out, and that's exactly why I bought the eyelash glue, because I know that the eyelash glue is not as strong as normal hair glue, because most people I've seen usually use the hair glue. In fact, the lady that fixed it for me the first time, she used hair glue, and that hair glue made me say, next time I'm not going to use hair glue unless I am now an expert, because that hair glue is really, really strong, and it's just be pulling off your eyes. So this one is not as strong as the hair glue, and that is why it's not working like that. It's moving. If I push it here, it will go to another side. It's not really cooperating with me. I'm even saying maybe I should have bought this hair glue, but I like my eyes. As the first time, I imagine I use hair glue and the thing no gree come out again, and I have fixed nonsense. I will not be happy, and to just go cry. So I'm a bit satisfied with the first one, though not that satisfied, but this is me doing the second one. Let's see how it goes. This second one is not also cooperating. See the center part of this thing, I don't know how people used to fix it, but this is not easy. If you see somebody carrying eyelashes, my dear, praise the person, because you don't know what the person went through. This eyelash thing is not easy. It's not as easy as shaping your brows, or maybe it's because this is my first time I feel like this. It might be easy. I thought it was easy before I started this. Now in my mind I was like, is it not just to fix this thing? Because when I was watching all the tutorials, it was looking so easy. I watched to the extent I was feeling like, is it this thing that people are just finding it so difficult to do. But oh yeah, see me now. What can I do? I can't even get it properly. But it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. See me, it's so uncomfortable. It's so uncomfortable. See, this is not easy. It's not, let me not say it's so uncomfortable. It's not comfortable, something you're not used to. It feels like you're carrying wings on your eyes. But me, I feel like I fix nonsense. So you guys should give me feedback. This thing does not look as I want it to look. It's not looking nice. The first one is looking nice, but the other one does not look nice. I say, let me just put some lipstick to see whether the thing will go well. Some lipsticks and earrings and my natural dreadlocks. See, to carry dada is not easy. And it doesn't look bad. The only thing that is not organized here is my eyebrows. I haven't shipped my eyebrows. And my dear, these eyelashes, I don't like it too. I don't like it at all. But anyway, it's not bad. I have to just pull the thing off because my dear, it's not me and you that are walking on the road like that. I'm not going to be carrying unaligned eyelashes. So till next time, anytime I get this eyelash thing, then I'll now start carrying it. Oh yeah, bye.